In this video, I'm going to talk about the prime factors and how we can find highest common factor and the lowest common multiple of two numbers using the prime factors. Okay, the objective of this video lesson: write a number as a product of its prime factors. Find the HCF and LCM of two numbers. Prime numbers. What do you mean by prime number? Is a number that can be divided exactly by itself and 1. For example, if you take the 12, it can be divided by 2, 4 and 6. So 12 is not a prime number. 12 can be divided by 2, 12 can be divided by 3 and 12 can be divided by 6. So 2, 3, 6 are the divisors of 12. Even 12 itself will divide, 1 also will divide. We have lot of divisors for 12. So it is not a prime number. 7 can be only divided by itself and 1 to give an integer answer. So 7 is a prime number. So 7 has got only two divisors, 1 and 7. So if any number has got only two divisors, it is called a prime number. If any number has more than two divisors, it is not a prime number. So what I mean two divisors is the number itself and the number 1, or the only two divisors, it is a prime number. If it has more than two divisors, then it is not a prime number. Okay, write down the prime numbers between 1 and 40. So what are the prime numbers 1 and 40? Of course, 1 is not a prime number because 1 has got only one divisors. It is not a prime number. It is called an unit element. Okay, now you see here the highlighted areas, the highlighted squares, the numbers on the highlighted squares are the prime numbers. 2 is the very first prime number, which is an even number. The next prime number is 3. Next one is 5, 7. If you look at all the prime numbers, they are all odd numbers. The prime numbers are odd numbers except the very first prime number 2, which is an even prime number. So 2 is the only even prime number. 2 is the only even prime number. The rest are not even numbers, all odd numbers. Okay, factors are the numbers that multiply together to give a certain number. The factors pairs of 12. How we can find the factors of any number? So the 12 can be written using the factors in many ways like this. 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4, 4 times 3, or 6 and 2, or 12 times 1. So here 2 times 6 and 6 times 2 are commutative, either you can write 2 times 6 or 6 times 2, all same. Okay. Now the factors of 12 are, so first take the 12. So 6 times 2. The 2 cannot be divided further because it's a prime number. But 6 can be divided into 3 times 2. So 3 is a prime number, 2 is a prime number, and here 2 is a prime number. So these are the prime factors. So the prime factors of 12 are 3, 2 and 2. So 2 times 2 times 3 equal to 12. So these are called prime factors of a number. Further, we cannot go further on this. So these are the prime factors. Prime factors are always unique. Okay, find the highest common factor of 36 and 72. First, we find the prime factors of 36 and 72. So prime factors of 36 are 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. For 72, it's like this. These are the prime factors, unique. You cannot go further. Okay. Now you compare both. To find the HCF, use one of each of the numbers that are in both the list, common to both. Take the numbers which are which are common for both. Here it is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. How you got? See, 2 is common, another 2 is common, 3. So we have taken all the common factors for both. multiply together, you get the highest common factor. Okay. Next, find the lowest common multiple of 36 and 90. These are the prime factors of both 36 and 90. Then use one of each of the numbers that are in both the lists and all the remaining numbers, remaining factors, prime factors. Here 2 times 3 because 2 is common, another 3 is common, another 3 is common. Then we have two more factors, 2 and 5, which are not common, that also taken here. So multiply all together, we get the LCM. So these are two examples, HCF of 12 and 30. First find the prime factors of both 12 and 30 and highlight the common factors, common prime factors. Highlight the common prime factors. Then 2 times 3 is 6. LCM also like same way. Get the common factors, then which are not common in both, that also highlighted in red color. Multiply all together, you get the LCM. Okay.